Hello everyone! Today's activity is for shapes. So I've cut different shapes using these colorful papers, and now we are going to study the shapes and also use them to draw drawings. Let's begin! Okay, this is our first shape. This is a rectangle. It has got 4 sides, 4 corners, and they are not equal in length. Square has got 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they are all equal in size and they are at 90 degrees. Now let's take the next one. This is a triangle. It has got 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. And 3 corners, 1, 2, and 3. Now let's take the next shape. This is a circle. Circle has got no shape, no corner and no side. It is round, round, round. Okay. Now let's learn the colors. What color is this? Yellow.
Yes.
What color is this? Red. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. What color is this?
Green.
Green. And this is one more shape. This is a parallelogram. Okay, it is like a rectangle, but the corners, they are not at 90 degrees. They are not right angle. So this is a parallelogram.
This is our food size.
Okay, now let's use this to make something. Let's begin. Let's take our big rectangle. I have placed it over here. Now let's take one more rectangle. See, we put 2 rectangles. Now let's take a triangle. Now let's take a parallelogram.
Let's take a circle.
Okay, we will take circle. Let me put this neatly first. Can you tell what we are making? We are making a house. Now let's put windows for the house.
Wawa put it.
Give me.
Wawa put it.
I have put a window. Yes. So this is a house.
Yes.
Now let's tell what are the shapes. This one is a rectangle. This one is a rectangle. This one is a square. And this one is a rectangle. This one is a parallelogram. This one is a triangle.
No circle.
And one more circle we'll put here. Now let's stick all this together neatly and make our house. We will stick, but this is a big rectangle, big green rectangle, and we are going to use this as the grass. Okay, so we will stick this first. So we have stuck the green one. Now we'll start with a house. Now let's take the next rectangle. Which one should we take? This yellow rectangle we will take and we will stick it. So we have put 2 rectangles. Now we'll put the door. Keep the door. Where do you keep the door? This is the door, and this is also a rectangle. What shape is this? This is a square. We'll put it over here.
Yeah, triangle.
Yes, this is a triangle. We will put it over here. Okay, this is a house. And I have also cut small triangles in green color. And we will use that to make grass. Okay? Let's do that.
Stick it.
Yes, Mama will stick it. What shape is this? This is a circle and we'll put it here. This will be the sun. So this is ready. We've made house and grass and sun. And this is the scenery using shapes. Let's revise. Show me the square. Where is the square? This one is the square.
This one is a size rectangle.
This is a square. Let's see the circle. 1 red circle, 1 yellow circle. And there is a big rectangle, 1 red rectangle, 1 yellow rectangle, and 1 ochre rectangle. This is a parallelogram. This is a big orange triangle. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green small triangles.